Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Where's Wagon. I think we're back to making weekly uploads now, but today I've got a problem. Alright, now Colin and I are going to a car meet tonight, and this car, my daily driver, both runs and sounds like crap. And I don't want to pull up to the car meet sounding like junk, so we gotta fix it. All that water that shot out has been sitting in there overnight. I pressure washed this car last night, and then it rained today too, so there's a bunch of water sitting in the exhaust. Anyway, I'm not sure if it comes through on video, but when you're driving the car and you get it into boost, you start to hear kind of a squealing, ticking noise. So I've got a boost leak going on there, which is making it run bad. And I believe I've got an exhaust leak down here on my V-band connector for my exhaust, or at the downpipe. So I'm gonna wait for Colin to come help me out find that, because I need someone else to listen. But you definitely hear a ticking noise when you're driving around, which I believe is the exhaust leak. I'm gonna go on a quick drive to show you guys this boost leak, and then we'll get to fixing it. Oh, that sound is terrible. I'm not sure how well you can hear it on video, but it's ticking very loud. It's bouncing off of every surface it can right back in my ears. I hope you guys can hear that. There's also a boost leak that Colin and I found with a smoke tester. You can't hear that right now though. That one only you can hear when it comes into boost, but it sounds pretty similar. Hey. Nice shirt, man. Huh? Back up, let me see the shirt. This is Monday. This is Friday. You do it now. Oh no, I think it's downpipe. I think it's coming from my downpipe. I have a fuel leak too, I just noticed.
A fuel leak? Devin, you got leaks like that.
Alrighty, I'm gonna start with the stuff that I can do without putting it on jack stands. So I'm gonna do the fuel leak and the boost leak, and then we will move on. Before, I didn't actually finish it, I just pulled this fitting off so I can go get some more fuel line. Got the fuel line. Fuel line is made. Alright, fuel line is now in. I don't know.
Look at my car.
Fuel line's in.
Good job.
Colin's car does look good over there.
It does.
Now all I gotta do is pull off this little elbow right here so I can get in there and I'll be able to have some room to weld. So I'm gonna pull off that elbow and pull out that little threaded section that's in there. And that should be all I have to remove to be able to weld that up. If you're ever welding on your car, make sure you disconnect your battery. Finished the welding. It turned out very bad. Don't judge me. These welds turned out really ugly. These actually did turn out worse than I expected, but they are going to hold the boost in, and you know what? That's all we need. Alright, battery's reconnected. I'm going to crank the car for a little bit without the fuel pump plugged in. That way, I can make sure that the turbo has oil still, because I did just put a lot of heat through it. Hopefully, no horrible sounds. Alright, let's plug it in. As normal. Alright, it runs. No weird noises from the turbo. Perfect. Time to move on to the exhaust leak. Alright guys. It's fog. Hold on, I've been out here messing around trying to find this exhaust leak. I couldn't find it for a long time. Turns out one of the bolts that goes down to the turbo is pretty much fully backed out, so I'm gonna put that back with some Loctite, and I think it should be good. All right, it's in there and tight. I really have confidence that that'll fix the exhaust leak. We got a storm coming in though now, so we gotta start it and take it on a drive to make sure we're good. I don't hear it. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna go for a quick drive. Make sure this thing's driving good. Oh, immediately it sounds better. I don't know if you guys can hear. Got you guys, don't worry. This thing drives great now. I've honestly just been driving it around, having fun. She drives good. Filming?
Yeah.
The next day we're going to Ale and Octane. Gotta hit up the car wash first. I know it's an automatic car wash. Don't cringe. My paint's already terrible, so I don't care. This is our style.
Whoa, look at us, a spider.
That's pretty cool. This plane had a bigger turnout than I was thinking.
Yeah, God.
I don't like those green wheels.
No green wheels.
Hold on, wow, the lighting's horrible.
We're heading out now. We didn't film that much though because we're kind of awkward, but the turnout was really good. Bigger than we were expecting for sure. So we'll be coming back next month. Everyone had pulled up.
Their whole family is like, oh, fucking car.
Alright, let's go home.
Oh.
We're back now.
That was a good car meet. I didn't expect there to be so many people in a car meet where we are. I feel like the car scene isn't that good.
I didn't think it was as big as it is here.
Yeah,
so.
it was,